King of the Court will be returning in the near future. In the meanwhile, there were plenty of matchups we were not allowed to release due to contractual obligations. Until now, these are the lost tapes.
Alright, let me know in the comments who you guys have winning this game. But listen, I've been playing daily fantasy sports with PrizePicks, and I've been on fire lately. If you didn't know, PrizePicks is the biggest daily fantasy sports app in North America, and it's super easy to play. All you have to do is pick more than or less than on 2 to 6 player stat projections and watch the winnings roll in. I can make my picks and submit my entry all in less than 60 seconds. Let's go through some picks so I can show you all how easy it is. Jordan Poole more than on 16.5 points. Brandon Miller more than 15.5 points. And the last part I'm going to roll with is Spencer Dinwiddie over 15.5 points. So you can see it's pretty simple to make the picks. Go to prizepicks.com and use code LIFE for a first deposit match up to $100. Again, go to prizepicks.com and use code LIFE for a first deposit match up to $100.
Ah, damn. Ball. Hey.
Fuck, Tim.
shot, ball. That's
Come on, Timmy.
I don't know who. Foul, bro. He grabbed my arm, bro. I'm just playing how you calling it, cuz he not calling it, so I'm playing that way. You feel me? Yeah. It's them, not us. Fucking baiting, bro. Straight up and down, bro. There we go. Come on, man. Come on. I'm just saying, come on, man, call it, bro. You jumping in there? We both complaining. It ain't like I'm just complaining. Fuck! That's all. Come on, Tim.
Nice move, Tim. Nice move. Ooh.
Feel me, bro? He gonna get us killed, bro. It's crazy, bro. Want us to kill each other. Come on! It's open. It's blazing. That was bullshit, giving this nigga extra possession. Oh, one.
All right.
kill each other, bro. At least give us 50 bands. You're gonna make us kill each other. Yeah. Just want to make sure you do it, bro. Leave it right with us. Thank you. How many guys? There you go. Good shot, Hezi.